April 18th, 2023. School again.
You have no damage to take. You have no help to take.
Switching the jersey like this.
What's
Me gusta. Hablamos de esto, Sabrina.
Schwam is getting his eyebrows done.
He looks so dead.
So guys,
Okay.
what do you want me to say?
Wait, just do the really close up. Thank you. We are at the theater potluck because we were in the showcase Heathers. Are you excited? Are you excited?
And I watched the most recent vlog.
This is the turnout, guys. So far. We got our food. It's so yummy. So we're going to Mexico. We are in Mexico, I mean. Let's get my nails done. Well, I just got my nails done at the salon. It was so cute, as you can see in the video. And look, I got them for my dress, which I want. I got them for my dress that's green. That's like hunter green. I'm 100% this is emerald green, but it's gonna be at night. No one's gonna notice the difference in the shade. And my suit is green, so it's like everything is green, but they're different shades. So yeah. Se ven azul. Neta. I'm at Sam's Club now. In Rex. Nutella. Thank you.
Welcome.
Hold it. Well, I got my hair done. Well, cut. And my nails done. So it was a productive day today. Yeah.
Please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And turn on those notifications.